This is the Elgato Stream Deck Plus. White, unboxing, and on the top of it we have a little holder that contains some of the documentation for the Stream Deck, a quick start guide, and also another little warranty information right there. Then we have some foam that's protecting the Stream Deck Plus, and it's packaged in there pretty well. It's a nice secure packaging. All right, and we'll remove it from the box. It comes with the 4 dials and the 8 buttons and that small LCD touchscreen. It's a nice size, and the buttons are larger than the other Elgatos. On the back it has a USB-C port. In the box, underneath the product is a USB-C cable. Doesn't look like there's anything else in there. And it has USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other. There are additional accessories you can get, like color dials and skins, but those aren't included in the box by default.